Morning, happy Friday. The day after the so-called blizzard last night, the one that I was stuck in till, I don't know, almost 7. Look at total opposite. I was right there across the street waiting at that bus stop over there in the blizzard last night. I call it a blizzard because it was horrible. It was bad. It's kind of scary to be stuck in a snowstorm like that down here, especially driving on Lakeshore Drive. But look at how beautiful it is now. Nice and sunny, as if nothing ever happened yesterday. This is Chicago for you. We have like 3 to 4 seasons in one day. Look, everybody's happy now. They're even cleaning the little skating ring over there. Even the bean is happy with a little snow on it. Look at that. It did get cold though. No more 50 degrees. That's gone. But March is near. St. Patrick's Day is almost here. It's gonna get warmer, so I have to think positive. Alright, well, I'm going to work as usual. But it's really, really nice out here on Michigan Avenue. I love the sun. It makes a big difference. I just can't believe the total opposite of how it was last night. Really, really nice. Really nice. Oh yeah, when it gets warmer, I'm gonna go up those stairs to go to the bean. I'll take a view from there. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go to work now. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and happy Friday. TGIF. Alright, bye.